Hello Internet family, Dan here from DansTube.tv, and today we are discussing the upcoming Mavic 2 with its three versions. The Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, and Mavic 2 Enterprise. This is everything that we know about the Mavic 2 so far. The See the Bigger Picture event will be coming on August 23rd. It was originally scheduled for the 18th of July, but they postponed it for whatever reason, and now we will see it at some point on August 23rd. I've actually started a drone-inspired clothing line called Eye in the Sky Clothing, and this featured shirt here is available right now for 10% off. I will have the link in the description below. Click on that and you will save 10%. You can choose whatever color you want, and it's available in a variety of sizes, so check it out. You will see an Argos catalog here, which actually details quite a lot about the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. This was a big screw-up by Argos, and DJI actually came out and said that this is real, that they can't hide it, this is actually fact right now. So that means that the Mavic 2 Pro is going to have a 1-inch sensor. But not just any 1-inch sensor, a Hasselblad sensor, which is insane. This camera is going to be amazing. And that means that DJI are now producing pretty much everything in-house. They purchased Hasselblad a few years ago, and now they're using that camera technology on the Mavic 2 Pro. That's insane. That means we could see 4K 60 frames per second. We might even see some more slow-mo options, maybe up to 240 frames per second. Who knows? It's really exciting. And then the Zoom version actually features a 2x optical zoom, which is effectively 24mm to 48mm, and the Zoom version also has dolly zoom, whatever that means. That could be a new feature exclusive to the Zoom version, but there are a lot of people that want the Zoom version and a lot of people that want the Pro version. Some more information that was leaked about the Mavic 2 from Argos is the transmission. So we know that it's going to have 1080p transmission. Instead of 720p to your phone, you'll get a little bit more of a true HD representation on your phone, which is exciting and something that I'm really looking forward to. They also say that we're getting 31 minutes of flight time from the battery. They've also told us that we're going to get 8 kilometers of transmission range, which I believe is an extra kilometer on the original Mavic, which had 7 kilometers. That's insane. And we also have omnidirectional sensing. And omnidirectional means everywhere. That means that there's sensing on the side, the back, the front, and underneath. And we don't know whether there'll be sensors on top, but if you look up the definition of omnidirectional, that means that every direction is accounted for, so who knows? It's also confirmed that we're going to be getting APAS, which was a Mavic Air exclusive, and that feature is really awesome. Honestly, something that is extremely useful for filmmakers. If you want to fly towards something without the drone stopping, it will actually map around that object, so that's really handy. And also ActiveTrack 2.0. That's really exciting, because ActiveTrack 1.0 was amazing. So let's see what ActiveTrack 2.0 does. If you look at this leaked image here, you can see that there's some form of handheld gimbal, very similar to what GoPro did with their Karma Grip. It looks like you might be able to take the camera off and then mount it to a handheld gimbal that actually has a touchscreen on it as well. So I really hope this is a real thing. It could be an additional thing that you could maybe purchase in the higher end pack, or maybe it's specific to one of the models, but I really hope it's a modular system where you can remove the camera and put a different one on. That would be mind-blowing if you could have that 1-inch sensor on a handheld gimbal and on a drone. That would be the perfect combination. Another leak that hasn't really been discussed too much is the Mavic 2 Enterprise, as you can see here, which seems to be targeted more so at enterprises or businesses. So you can see there's a modular unit on top that you can actually mount speaker systems that could be maybe targeted at search and rescue, so you can actually relay to that person, hello, you need to come down here, or where are you, whatever, who knows. And then you could also have an LED system on top, which could be again for emergency services, or just to let people know that that drone is operating there. There's also 3D modeling options that could maybe be mounted, or even an infrared sensor, so then you can utilize an infrared sensor. Who knows? There's so many options, and it looks like it's a modular unit that they will add to, so maybe there'll be more accessories in the future. So that means that there are 3 Mavic 2s. There's going to be the Enterprise, the Pro, and the Zoom. And DJI have also said that there's more to come. We still haven't seen the controller. Hopefully there'll be a touchscreen built in so you don't have to use your phone. And maybe we'll see more. Maybe we will see a ground unit. Maybe there will be some more surprises that we have no idea about. But just in terms of the Pro with the 1-inch sensor and the zoom for people that really want zoom, if they want to take really nice photos from a distance away, but crop it in enough so it looks relatively decent. There's a lot of options there, and the Enterprise is also something that's targeting businesses or emergency services, so that's really exciting as well. So I think DJI are going to blow our minds on the 23rd of August. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, 10% off this cool shirt here. I will have a link in the description below. Thank you, though, so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see, what you're expecting to see, and what you're going to be picking up when this announcement comes out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to have a fantastic day, and peace out.